Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew.
Hello kids, this is a story of a colorful little bird. Aha, it's Sunday. Woohoo! Sunday's a holiday. And can you see that little girl? Yeah, right. It is her holiday. What a pleasant day. It is her free day. Oh, she gets towards the window. You know why? Because she wants to know the weather outside. Oh, smart girl. Do you know what she sees? She saw a bird, a very beautiful, colorful bird. Wow! Oh, the bird has such a cute little tail. Lucky girl. Do you know what the bird is doing? Oh, the bird is doing hop, hop, hop. The bird loves to hop. Ah, but the poor girl cries out. Oh, why is she crying? Oh, she wants the bird to stop hopping. The girl cries to the bird, will you stop, stop, stop? You know why? Because the little girl wants to talk to the bird. She wants to make friend with her. Oh, how cool. Then the girl thinks that she should go outside the window. Fast! And then talk to the birdie. Bird! Ah, she looks so excited. She thinks to herself, it would be so much fun. She would ask the bird, hey birdie, how do you do? You're so colorful. The girl is smiling. But, oh, you remember the little tail? The birdie bird shakes its tail. It shakes it right. It shakes it left. And the bird flies away, up in the sky. Oh, the poor girl. Naughty bird. Such a cute naughty bird. It flies away so far. Ha 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 ha.